The FA product lineup includes CNCs, servo motors, servo amplifiers, and laser oscillators. FANUC CNC systems support manufacturing in factories throughout the world. FANUC offers a broad lineup of CNC and servo motors. Standard CNC servo systems have functions in a compact form for high-speed, high-quality machining, high reliability, and easy maintenance. High-end CNC servo systems realize high-speed and high-quality machining. The cumulative production volume has exceeded 4 million for CNCs and 20 million for servo motors. The FANUC iHMI is a screen which comprehensively supports various tasks required for machining, from machine operation to management of tool and maintenance information. These are servo motors, spindle motors, DD motors, linear motors, and built-in spindle motors. From small to large sizes, the most suitable motor can be selected from the wide product range. The fine surface technology increases the quality of surface machining of parts and molds to achieve superior quality in machining. This is realized through smooth tool paths generated by CNCs and the most advanced servo control technology. The fast cycle time technology is FANUC CNC and servo control technology for reducing cycle time. This is enabled through the selection of the optimum command path for machining and through acceleration and deceleration. The machining time can be confirmed by using the computer-measured tool servo viewer to support reduction in cycle time. The 5-axis machining function can conduct high-speed and high-quality machining on complex-shaped parts smoothly. A rich variety of measuring functions supports the preparation stage before machining. The FANUC Servo Guide is a PC tool which displays the path of the tool blade tip for adjusting the servo mechanism. The performance of the NC is brought out to improve precision and quality in machining. FANUC offers functions which utilize artificial intelligence. AI servo tuning uses artificial intelligence to automate servo tuning that was performed by skilled engineers through trial and error. With this, tuning becomes simple and is optimized to further improve machining performance. The PowerMotion iModel A is the perfect CNC for positioning for driving industrial machines. There is also a digital servo adapter for driving servo motors with an industrial personal computer. Large servo motors used in PowerMotion are used to drive electric servos such as those in injection molding machines and press machines. Lasers, which are used in various applications such as cutting and welding, come in 2 types: fiber lasers and CO2 lasers. Fiber lasers can easily be combined with CNCs, servo motors, and robots. By connecting directly to CNCs, it is possible to synchronize axes and laser output with high precision, even during high-speed machining. This allows high-speed lasers to be mounted on machining centers and lathes to easily create multitask machines. Robots can also be accurately synchronized with laser cutting and laser welding to achieve superior machining performance. FANUC offers CNCs, servo motors, and robots in a one-stop solution.